Hello and welcome to Enthusiast Autohaus and our 1983 Porsche 911 SC Cabriolet. This example has 223,000 miles. It has a full service history, clean Carfax, clean title, runs and drives excellent. It has the CIS pop-off valve and the oil-fed Carrera chain tensioners. It has chrome 930 Fuchs at all four corners with nice tires. It's this beautiful platinum metallic over a brown leather interior. Seats are in excellent condition. Dash and everything is nice. Top is beautiful. The vinyl is a bit foggy. It runs and drives so nice. It's 20 degrees out today, and I was nice and warm driving it around. AC has been removed. All around, a fantastic, well cared for example with a full service history.